Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm the clerk at Ebenezer, and we want to show you our before and after pictures of our church renovation with the hope that it would inspire your faith in Jesus Christ. This is our Ebenezer. We had a mission, but we didn't have a vision. Once Pastor Jermaine Nelson was assigned to our church, he taught us the importance of having a vision as well as a mission and began to work with us on our Christ-centered growth.
Hi, I'm Cleon Dixon, Media Coordinator at Ebenezer Seventh-day Adventist Church. When I first got here, there was no internet. Optimum told us that they need $25,000 to construct the internet line. We prayed to God because we don't have it, and God answers our prayer. Optimum called us and said that they will construct the line for free. At that time, we believed that God has a mission for us, and the mission was to reach people wherever they are.
My name is Pastor Jermaine Nelson, and I have the privilege of pastoring Ebenezer here in Greenville, North Carolina. I believe that without vision, people perish, but also without people, vision perish. A dream can only go as far as its team. It requires teamwork in order to execute a vision. And here at Ebenezer, as you can see in the video, it's all about teamwork. A team coming together, a small community, saying we are going to make a vision come to reality. And so as you watch this video, you are going to see teams coming together to bring about something that was just a dream that God gave us.
After hours of planning, we decided that we wanted to connect with our community in a modern way. So we decided to enlist contractors to help with that project, helping with the bigger things that we couldn't tackle. Ebenezer came together as a family, and we began to do the small things, painting, putting chairs together, the light work, so to say. We were a church surviving and functioning based on what our budget said. But Pastor Jermaine taught us not to let the budget dictate our vision, but to let the vision dictate our budget. For those of you who showed up to support, we want to thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your donations. Most of all, thank you for your prayers. It is because of you we were able to accomplish God's work. You are truly a part of the family.
With Christ, a pastor with a vision, and a team, we can be impactful in a contemporary culture.
We are Ebenezer.
We are Ebenezer.
We are Ebenezer.